So today we will unbox our Amazon deliveries. This is my last deliver for this month. So let's unbox it. Ito. Unbox our deliveries. Good morning, everyone. So we have our vitamin K2. I take this with vitamin D. So vitamin K2. And we have the collagen, hydrolyzed collagen with biotin for skin, hair, and nail formula. It's a dietary supplement, collagen. And then we're gonna have this one. These are supplements also. Supplements. Because I have no more supplements, so I need it. So we have vitamin C, 500 milligram. Vitamin D3. Yeah, vitamin D3 and this one I take them at the same time for the bones. And we have vitamin E. This is for my friend. She ordered it. And another vitamin C. This is my vitamin C. This is very light. So that's it. And we have this one. Lagyan natin dito. Supplements. The collagen. So many supplements. And then this one is this one is the solar outdoor lights. I put this on our backyard or at the front. I will replace the other one and put a new one. So this is solar light. Yeah. Solar light. Let's see. I will put at the backyard. Ang hirap buksan. What is this? Oh, ang hirap buksan. So solar light is good when summer comes because there are a lot of sunlight. But if it's winter time, like this time, lot of snow, solar light is not working good. Ay, ang hirap buksan. Ayan, nag-boil na yung water natin. Ang hirap buksan naman ito. Ay, shit. Ay, sorry. It's hard. Oh. Okay. So, this is the solar light. We will put it. Ay, nakaano siya. We need to assemble it. We need to assemble the parts. And then after you assemble it, it will become like this. So this is the pointing to the sun for the charger of battery. And this one is the light. The sensor light. So that is our solar outdoor lights. So ayan guys. Balik natin sa dati para hindi siya malamigan. So, ay mali. Mali. It should be like this. And then like that. Ayan. So we bought the solar light for our yard. So these are my deliveries for today. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.